Hello everyone, it's me ASM Arif welcoming you to my new logo design tutorial. Today I'll show you this type of vintage logo and how to make this type of vintage logo. At first you have to choose some color palette, select or this type of color, which is the vintage color palette. You can search on Google color swatch, vintage color swatch, whatever you can search. So after that you can just get this type of logo. So let's start the tutorial how to make this type of logo. I'll show you today. If you're new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. So going to the file and taking new options from here, artboard, which is 2000 pixel and 2000 pixel, and RGB for the web purpose, CMYK for the print purpose. I'm taking here the web purpose, that is RGB, and here I'll give the logo mountain logo and hit the create button. You'll get an artboard like that, and I'll take this color swatch here because of I'll use those color in this window. Okay, at first going to the text, write down the text, the mountain or something like that. So make the font size bigger, like 300 to 50 is good. Okay, that's good. And now time to choose the font type. Actually this type of, please check out my video description for the download link. Okay, after writing over there, here is some glyphics. So going to the type options from here, glyphics. So glyphic is a special characters you choose from the font family. Actually this font which is really nice for the photography or this type of graphic design. So here I'm choosing here n, different types of n over here. If I make the bigger, you can get the things properly. How will be the n over there? Those are the glyphics actually. So I need this type of n. Yeah, that's good, stylish like that, or you can make it simple, some like one character like that. So after making or after exploring the glyphic, I will make this one create outline, and I'll make copy by pressing Ctrl or Command C. And now time to make this one a little bit angular, like 8 degree is good for me. One thing is that this workplace I made my own, or you can use the Essential Classic. So here is some option, Essential Classic. You can press over there or reset Essential Classic to get the settings at the all the stuffs like me. Suppose here is the angular bar, and here is all the stuffs like me. Here is some alignment, pathfinder, everything. If you press the Essential Classic, you will get the all stuff like me. So this one I'll make copy this one actually, and I'll copy this one for using into next or future. So right press, and now going to the transform, and now share or transform mode, or going to the effects options, select this font and going to the effects options. From here going to the transform options. From that portion I'll do the things. Here is a distort, transform and transform. So I'll give here 2 pixel and 2 pixel, that's good, or 1 pixel is good for me, 1 and 1, and 0 degree, that's good, and 50. If I make it 50, get the preview, it will be like this. Or if I make this one 30, it will be like that. Which number or how many number you want, it's totally up to you. I'm giving here 40. Let's see the preview. That's okay for me, and hit OK. So already I made a copy. So Ctrl or Command F for the forward paste, and I'll change the color of the font or of the front font. It will be like that, or you can make this one like this. Okay, here is 2 things actually, 1 and 2. You can give color from here, and this one should be like this. That's fine. Now time to use the circle and other stuffs. So going to the circle, I'll take the circle the same color of these and sending into back layer, and make this one a little bit bigger. Okay, mountain should be like this. and here Control C and Control V, Control C and Control F. Actually I'll make the circle, another circle. Okay, I'll make the color like this, and I'll make this one like that, and the stroke will be 3 or 4, and stroke from here I'll make this one dash like that. It looks like the vintage feel. And Control C and Control F, make another copy like this. So we can write down something over here. From here, stroke portion, turn off the dash line, and going to the text options, type on the text tool or line tool. You can write down over here. I'll make the font like Poppins or Avenir, whatever you do like. So this type of normal font, and make the font size smaller. Yeah, that's fine. The font color should be like this and like this. That's fine. And if I make this one a little bit like this, or actually that's good, and write down the Hill Logo Company or Limited. Any kind of name you can use which is you prefer. So this one should be like that. It could be a little bit smaller. We can use here some mountain like flat icons. Going to Google and like mountain. So let's see some clip art. It could be the clip art or this one. This one is good. This one. Any kind of suitable clip art you can choose from there. So copy this one, copy image, and Control Command V, paste over there. And now we'll make this one into vector, going to the silhouette and expand and ungroup. So from here, which one do you like to use? You can use that. So this one I do like, so I'm using this and taking the color like that. So this text I'll make into this portion, and I'll make into like that. This text will be into the downside like that. That's fine. And now it could be bigger. And this one, this mountain I'll use over here, but this mountain should be 8° angular. So I'll make this one angular, and these whole things, actually this making group, and it could be bigger like this. Or you can use some other like elementary things like all the stuffs, anything like star or other stuffs. So start tools, writing or drawing some stars like that. So all the stuffs will delete from here, select all the stuffs, making group. And now using some background, or you can keep like that. So going to the rectangle, 2000 pixel and 2000 pixel, and hit OK. That's fine. Or you can use any kind of other colors if you want, like this type of colors. It could be, or it could be the logo. You can use all the things over here, making this one into middle of the artboard. That's fine. Making this one bigger. That's nice, and that should be lighter. Okay, and it should be like this. So after making the logo like that, you are getting the charm over there because of the warm and warm, dark and warm, the combination like this. You are getting all the stuffs and the write-ups and everything. So you are getting this type of logo by using my techniques like that. So hope that you learn a lot from this video. If you did, please thumbs up and share with your friend. And if you have any kind of question, query, request, please do comment on my video comment section. Until the next video, ASM Arif signing out. Stay safe, stay at home, keep me in your prayers. Bye bye.